Alrighty, random YouTube people. Today we're going to talk about dish dry, or jet dry I should say. Our dishwasher here is notorious for having wet spots everywhere. We have dishes with kind of like a little lid part to it, I'll show you. And every time we do the dishes, there's some stuck water here. You can even see it right there. There's just water, it just gets stuck there. And all the time these dishes are wet. Even if I have it on the Sahara setting, they still come out really wet. So we're gonna try this dish dry, or jet dry. I keep saying dish dry, jet dry. So typically in a dishwasher, especially like this, when you open the door, next to where you put your detergent, you'll see a rinse aid section. And we have just this little cap that will twist counterclockwise, and you can fill up your jet dry in here. Now, if you can see that on the video, trying to focus, each of these sections has a little number. We have a 4, a 3, a 2, and a 1. That's how much is dispensed each rinse cycle. So I'm gonna set that back down to like a 2. And you pour your solution right into here. And you can see that there's already some in here. And this will show you how much you have. I'm gonna fill it full. And this is not something you need to do every single load. You just do it till it's full, and then when it runs out, you add more later. But you just put it right in here. So it comes out pretty easily out of the top. If I start pouring, you can see it drips everywhere. If you just cover this hole with your finger and then pour it in, it works a lot better. And you just pour it in here until you are all full. I'm getting there. You can see I'm pretty full now. So we're gonna shut that, put the cap back on, and then do a rinse cycle, or a typical wash cycle, and we'll see how it goes. I let that run overnight, and let's see if we have a puddle of water like we usually do on top of the bowl. We do. Well, that's lame. But everything else seems to be much drier and cleaner, so that is a plus. I guess it's just the design of this bowl that it's just too much water to catch. But we have a little bit of water standing here as well. But it doesn't seem like it, but overall, it does look a lot drier than it usually does. And you can see that it's still a little full, even after one cycle. So either way, that's how you fill these up. You just take it off, pour it in, wait to see that it's full over here, and you're good. I might change up the setting next time to see if it goes even drier. So from a 2 to, let's try a 3 next time. All right, thanks for watching.